So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy FC God. So today I'm gonna show you how to collect some gems and how to collect some other Easter eggs, and also we're gonna have some pack openings too. So guys, as you can see, I managed to collect uh, 13 Easter eggs after the previous video that I uploaded in YouTube. You all saw it, and I hope that you all got those Easter eggs. So guys, let's claim this. And also guys, please sub up so that we can reach 100 subs, so that I can give away star pass to one of my subscribers. And also when we reach 1k subs guys, I'm gonna upgrade one of my subscribers account. And by time to time guys, in before this week ends guys, I'm gonna upload a video on my teams up, my building my team to 112 for VR guys, because this is my head-to-head team. Now let me show you my main team. As you all saw, my main team, which is this guys, it's 110 of VR. So guys, click the notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload another video on squad build up to 112 for VR. So guys, please get notified. So let's get straight into content. Okay guys, first let's claim these rewards in the daily logging. So guys, I collected other 4 Easter eggs in these rewards here, the 4 rewards that I've already claimed. So guys, don't forget about it. So let's claim this. Guys, doesn't even have a code, but it's cool. So guys, we got bans worth 10 million. So guys, let me show you something really quick. Now we are gonna open some packs later. Now let me show you how you can get gems to struggle guys with before the event arrives. So guys, in preparation for tots, let me show you to get these gems. So today you can see that we have 2x gem offers. So you can come and click it there, where you get 2 times multiple of gems when completing some offers here. Now guys, let's get straight into content about this. So guys, as you can see, we have that 2x gem offer. Now guys, from here you can come and choose gem offers from the range of, guys, where are we? So guys, as I was saying, you can collect you can choose the gem offers from the range of 100k gems to, I think, 600k gems. Now guys, you can just come here, where are we? So guys, this is what I managed to see here. Now guys, today we have got 2k gem offers. As I was saying, you can collect more gems in this gem offer. Now guys, let me look for it. So guys, I didn't see much. Now I just saw some up here. Now let me check. Oh guys, like this offer, like you can just play these games as in form of getting gems. So guys, just playing these games, get in a particular level and start collecting some gems, where you can collect all gems after completing the levels. So guys, let me show you. So I've seen that this is much less, and guys, it's not the matter of just playing games to complete the offers. It's the matter of you can have fun playing the game while completing the offers, guys, by reaching in a certain level. So for me, I'm gonna go for this Viking Rise. Where you can see the instructions there, and yo guys, this is too much. No, it's not too much. So guys, you can all complete this all levels after acquiring all these things they are asking of, and you might collect some gems, much gems, guys. So you can just come here, see the game and the features of it. So you can come here and just press on, and as I had shown you in my previous video yesterday, that you can just get a maximum of 30k gems after completing some tasks there. So this is quite a W to me. So in preparation for guys, for the thoughts event, guys, please do that. So save up some gems and you might get some cool rewards in the thoughts event. So don't forget to do that. So next, I'm just gonna show you some pack openings here. So look at this. Let's go to the market. So guys, we are in the market, and as you can see, I've already bought some folders and some players which I'm gonna use in the exchange and pack some okay guys, as you can see, I've just bought some players so that you can exchange them and pack something good. So let's first go and pack something in the market pick. So guys, don't forget to open this 40k market pick because it's a W. So straight we're gonna just open some packs here in the 4k market pick. Let's open. Let's hopefully it's not it wouldn't be an L like yesterday, guys. We were just packing some L's. So guys, and it's just fine. It might cost 10 million or 15 million. Let's open another pack. Guys, I just packed 101 goalkeeper Jonathan. W, guys, sign that I'm gonna get some pack luck in the other packs. So I'm gonna pick this card. So the final opening pick, let's open another 4k market pick. So this is the last one. Guys, another 99 right back. Just this is a sign of pick luck, bro, and pack luck. So let's pick him. So just picked this guy, and I'm not sure their money, right? Their coins, right? So let's see what they're worth of. So let's go to the market. Guys, and this Wi-Fi has been lagging too much, so it's just quite disappointment that we have been packing packs, as in you also yesterday. I've been packing some packs, and it was lagging. You wouldn't even see the workout. So guys, let's see what they are all of. Oh guys, I haven't and them, so let's go to players that I bought so that we can exchange them and get some cool players. So let's go and open this, collect this one. So guys, as you all saw, they are worth almost in total they are worth almost 40 million, guys. That's a blue in my opinion. So guys, let's get the exchange session. So we're gonna exchange some players here. Yeah. So hopefully we get something good in this exchange. So let's exchange it and see what we got. Hopefully the back luck is not trash today. Let's see what they have for us. Guys, it's a workout. France striker. What? Oh no, we just got Andre Martial. Another 99 of our player. So let's exchange for the second one. So guys, I don't know where my folders have went from, because I see I have insufficient folders, and I remember I bought many folders, 8 plus OVR players. So guys, I just need one 98 plus of your player. Let's go and buy him in the market. Guys, it's too laggy. So guys, one thing for me, I don't buy players with their base card, mostly 98 of your players, since they are too costly. So I just go and buy their ranked up cards, which they are lesser. So guys, as you can see, this Zola card, it costs it in the base, in its base card it costs 17 million, but in the green rank, when it's green ranked, it costs 14,600,000. So it doesn't sell from now. So we're just gonna purchase this one, but these two doesn't have any sale. I'll use it for another purpose. Let's go and look for one that has a sale. So let's get this chance here. Guys, it's too laggy, don't know why. So let's purchase this card. What? Doesn't even have a sale. So let's look for another card which can buy so fast. Oh, we got Petite. Now doesn't have any true. So guys, let's buy this 98 of your player. Guys, what's up with these 98 of your cards? They don't have any sale. People are bidding on them, guys. Oh, we got Owen. Let's claim this guy. So guys, I just used up my coins, but for you guys, just open some packs, and when I get a W, it'll be worth it. So let's claim this Owen card. Guys, it's lagging too much. So let's go on the exchange and see what EA has for us. Hopefully now we're just gonna get something good, because lately we have been opening packs and getting else, guys. So guys, I'm gonna exchange these players. Guys, it's lagging too much. So we are all set. So let me get some players, exchange some players here. So hopefully we get something good. So guys, this is another error. This the person just The same guy. It's just a duplicate card that we packed yesterday in the 2.5k gem pack.
She went to tripping. Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD.
So guys, just got 2 photos. So guys, I'm just gonna exchange them and get Davies since I'm close to 1.25k. So maybe we might you might get some other videos before this week on squad build up. So guys, just get notified. So click that notification bell and don't forget to subscribe. So peace out guys, until next time, bye bye.